Hi, this is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here today to answer another question. This question comes from Wendy A. And the question is, I want to replace one small window in my living room with a larger one. My current window is only 32 inches wide by 48 inches tall. The other windows in the same room are 36 inches wide by 60 inches tall. My contractor said that he could replace the window with a taller window for $2,600. However, if I want to replace it with a wider window, it's an additional $1,500. Does that make sense? Well, Wendy, it's a great question. And yes, it does make sense. Here's the reason why. When windows are put into homes, there's a structure built around the window. There's two posts, and then there's a header above the window. That structure is put in place in order to support the weight of the wall above the window. And typically above a window, you may have a second story, so you're supporting the floor. You may have a roof above that, you're supporting the roof. If it's a single story, you're supporting the attic floor and you're supporting the roof. The window itself does not provide any support whatsoever. It needs the structure built around it. So you have a header across the top. In this case, on a 32-inch window, that header is probably somewhere around 32 inches wide, and it sits on two posts, one on either side of the window. So if you want to make a window taller, you simply stay within the header and you go under the window and you cut out some of the framing in order to give it some more height, and then you can put a taller window in place. Now, if you want to make that window wider, now you need to do a lot of structural work. First of all, you need to put a temporary wall up to actually support the room up above that window. Then you could take the two posts out, you can take the header out. Now you could put a wider header in place, put two brand new posts in place, and then install your window and take the temporary wall down. So there's a lot more work in order to make a window wider and a lot less work in order to make a window taller. So I hope that helps with you and your window project. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call. Thank you for listening.